Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we are proud to present our funeral prayer card paper. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Doing so enables us to continue making useful content to equip you during a time of loss. Funeral prayer cards are conveniently sized and distributed at any type of service, visitation, or graveside ceremony, as a remembrance of a loved one. They contain a background image on the front and short prayer on the back side. Our DIY funeral prayer card paper enables you to create your own cards and are offered in religious and non-religious themed backgrounds. The colorful background is pre-printed to save on paper and color printing. Our prayer card paper is offered with 8 prayer cards per sheet, with the paper weight slightly thicker than standard copy paper. The front of the card already contains the design, so all you need to do is personalize the backside with text, then print. It can be printed on any color or even on a black and white printer. The prayer card paper also includes an accompanying template that you can personalize, which perfectly aligns to this paper. The built-in perforation on each sheet allows for easy separation once printing is complete. They can be laminated to further preserve each card and prevent bending. This is a shipped item, so it may take a few days to arrive, but you will receive the template immediately after purchase, so you can begin editing and start printing once your prayer card paper arrives. If you need it sooner, you can even opt for overnight delivery. Check out our large collection of funeral prayer card paper, as well as other pre-printed paper and funeral program templates for download, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.